All right, so in number 20, Joseph ran a 6-mile race in 48 minutes. Which graph has a slope that best represents Joseph's average at a rate speed during the race? So let's look at our answer choices. So we have F. Well, I'm going to go to 6, and at 6, these are time in minutes, so that's at 1 minute, so definitely not F. And then H, all right, go to 6, again, he's at 1 minute, so it's definitely not H. All right, so let's go down and look at G. All right, so I'm going to go to 6 minutes. Okay, that's looking pretty good. We've got 10 minutes here. That looks like it's pretty much going along in the pace. Definitely not J either, because that's a vertical line up and down. So really, just by not really doing any real calculations, I can eliminate my answer choices and pick the right one just by using simple reasoning. But I can also look at my slope and think, does my slope make sense? I have my slope here, my m is equal to 1/8. All right, 6 divided by 48 gives me a slope of 1/8. So 6 divided by 48 does equal to 1/8. So that lets me know that that's definitely my graph. Let's go to number 21. Okay, we have a pre-image and an image, and we're saying reflected across the x-axis. So that means that we're going across this axis here. This is our x-axis. So V is going to be the same distance. Dang it. V is going to be the same distance on the other side, so V prime. So if I look at V, V is at the coordinate point 4, -1. But V prime, that transforms to 4, +1. So let's talk about in our answer choices. In our answer choices, these are talking about the rule. And I can eliminate B right off the bat because that's a transformation or a translation. Okay? And so that means it's a shift left or right or up or down. Okay? A, all right, well, our x stayed the same. Our y value went from negative to positive. Here we're talking about going to negative, but really that just means the opposite. So our answer choice looks like it's going to be A, but let's double check. Here we transformed from the coordinate point xy to negative yx. This is a rotation. Change. And here our x changed to opposite and our y stayed the same. So that's a reflection across the y-axis. You can remember your reflection of across the axis is going to be the value that stays the same. All right, so that's not too bad. Number 22, least to greatest. So again, we're going to convert all these to decimals. So 37 divided by 6 gives me 6.16. I've got negative, so I don't need to convert that one. Square root of, hold on, I need to do my numbers. Square root. There we go. No. Where's my square root? Now I keep hitting the wrong app. Technology, square root of 33 gives me 5.74. And then 26 divided by 5 gives me negative 0.4. Sorry, negative 5.2. Wait, hold on. 26 divided by 5 gives me 5.2. Negative 5.2. Now, let's talk about it on the number scale. Negative 5.2 is here. Then it's negative 5.1. Then it's going to be negative 5. Then it's going to be negative 1. And then it's going to be 0. Okay? So the smaller number is going to be the 5.2. the negative 26 over 5. So we can eliminate G and we can eliminate J. The next number we said is the 5.17, which is going to be this one here. So that both of those answer choices have that one. So then now we need to look at the square root of 33 versus 37 over 6. Square root of 33 is smaller than 6.37 over 6. So our answer choice is H. Okay, well, yeah, we'll go ahead and do this. We're just combining. You should know how to do this. Those of you who are my algebra students, that's going to give me x plus 3 is equal to negative 4. Subtract 3, x is going to be equal to negative 7. And I don't want this video to go too long, so I'll continue in the next video.